The Crestron drivers can be purchased from the website store.oniointeractive.com. Select the driver you would like to buy from the list of available drivers. This will take you to the checkout page where you need to provide your details and payment information. It's crucial to enter the correct email address, as the next steps in the process will be sent to this email. Once the purchase is complete, you will receive an email with further instructions. Open the email, copy the order ID, and click on the Generate License link provided. This will redirect you to the license generation page. Here, you need to enter the same email address used for the purchase, as well as the order number copied from the email. After entering the correct details, click on Check Order. On the next page, you will be prompted to enter the serial number of the device. It's essential to input the correct serial number, as corrections will not be accepted later. The license can only be generated once and is non-transferable. After entering the correct serial number of the device, click on Submit. If everything is correct, a new button labeled Submit All will appear. Click on this button and confirm that the serial number entered is accurate. This action will trigger the license to be sent to your email address.